today's top tip is to do with saw blades, and my actual top tip is never buy cheap saw blades. The other thing I want to show you today is how you can attach your saw blade to your saw frame, because I've had some questions about this. So what I do is really simple. I hold my saw blade up to the light, okay? Once the light is behind it, you can see the direction that the blade is going in, and what you need to look for is like a children's Christmas tree drawing. If you can imagine, you know how when children do a Christmas tree, or even adults do it, I mean I do it, let's face it, but you know how you do your Christmas tree like this? Okay, that's what you're looking for on your saw blade. So you're looking for that serrated edge to be like the Christmas tree, so the point's going down like that, okay? So hold it up to the light, look to check that it is doing that, and once you know that, you just grab the top of it, and first of all, just pop the top into the top of your frame. I push it in, and then get it secure in place by twisting, okay? Then hold it up to the light again just to check you've done it right. Just double check, always double check. So we want this to be really tight. We want it to ting or twing and not twong, okay? I'm pushing into my hip and then tightening. And when it's correct, it should ting. Nice high pitch sound. So that's how you know that you've done it right. Hope that helped. Have a great day, everyone.